here children, both these are 2-digit number. 46 is a 2-digit number and 35 is a 2-digit number. So now you have to add these two numbers together, right? So what we will do, whenever you are adding two numbers, we always start adding the number in ones place first. And here this O stands for ones and T stands for tens. And this is your first question, children. You can write here. This is your first question. Or you can write it like this also. Yes, so this is your first question. You have to add 46 and 35. Okay, and we'll start adding the number in ones place first. So in ones place, numbers are 6 and 5. Numbers are 6 and 5, children. So see here. What we will do, we will start counting after 6. Your first number is 6 here, children. You can see here in ones place, first number is 6. So what we will do, we will start counting after this 6 and we will count forward 5. We will count forward 5 because your next number in ones place is 5. Again, I'm repeating, you will start counting after 6 and you will count forward 5. So you will take out your 5 fingers and you will start counting after 6. Okay. So Siddharth, you tell me, take out your 5 fingers, Siddharth. Yeah. So now start counting after 6.
6, 7,
Yes.
8, 9,
Yes.
10, 11.
Yeah. Very good. So children, you will take out your 5 fingers and you will start counting after 6. So this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Very good, Siddharth. So what we will do, children, we will write 1 here. Okay, and that other one of 11 will go as carry over in tens place. Will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. Okay. And now what we will do? Now what we will do, children, see here. Now we have to add the number in tens place. We have to add the number in tens place. So here in tens place, numbers are 4 and 3. Numbers are 4 and 3. But there is one more number. What is that number? 1. 1 is there, which we wrote as carryover. We wrote it as carryover, right? So now there are 3 numbers in tens place. There are 3 numbers in tens place. This 4, 3 and 1. How many numbers are there in tens place now? This 4, 3 and this 1, which we wrote as carryover, right? So, excuse me. Yes, children. So what we will do, first we will add this 4 and 3 together and then we will add this 1. Okay, so 4 plus 3, we will start counting after 4 and we will count forward 3. Okay, Dhruti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, show me your 3 fingers. Yeah, so now start counting after 4. And
5, 6, 7.
very good. So 4 plus 3 is 7. And with Dhruti, this 1 is also there. So after 7, add 1 also. After 7, count forward 1. After 7. Huh?
8.
Yeah, very good. So children, you have to add this 1. You have to add this 1 also. Right? So 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So answer is 8181. Answer is 8181. Children, write this fast. So answer is 8181. And children, remember this thing that in one box you will write only one number. In one box, write only one number. Okay, and your work should be neat and clean. So now we'll move to next question. So your next question is 18 plus 18 plus 14. Your next question is 18 plus 14 children, and again I'm repeating that in one box you will write only one number. Yes, so now we have to add 18 and 14. You have to add 18 and 14 now. So again, first we will add the number in ones place. So now in ones place, numbers are 8 and 4. So your first number is 8 children. So you will start counting after 8 and you will count forward 4. You will count forward 4. Ashrita, you tell me 8 plus 4 how much?
8.
Start counting after 8. Show me your 4 fingers, Ashrita. Yeah, start counting after 8.
చూద్దాం బొమ్మలు పైకి పెడతాయి
9,
Yes.
10,
Very good.
12.
Yeah. So 8 plus 4 is
12.
very good. So children, 8 plus 4 is 12. So we will write here 2 and that one will go as carry over in tens place and one will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. Now here in tens place children we have 3 numbers. How many numbers we have? 3 numbers. This 1 and this one which we wrote as carry over. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So answer is 3 2 32. Answer is 3 2 32 children. Write this answer. And after writing this, write your next question. That is your third question. And always remember this thing that T stands for tens and O stands for ones. So this is 24 plus 16. 24 plus 16. So now you have to add 24 and 16 together. Again, we'll start adding the number in ones place first. Veda, you tell me in ones place, what are the numbers in ones place?
4 and 6.
Yes, numbers are 4 and 6, Veda. So now tell me 4 plus 6 how much?
4 in the mind, 6 on fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, so 4 plus 6 is?
10.
Yeah, that's correct. Very good, Veda. So children, 4 plus 6 is 10. Again, you will write only 0 here and 1 will go as carry over. 1 will go as carry over in tens place. So we will write that one here. Now, Ansil, how many numbers are there in tens place? Ansil Raj, unmute yourself, Ansil. Ansil, how many numbers are there in tens place? Tell me quickly.
7, 9, 6.
Not listening. Sai Ritvik, how many numbers are there in tens place?
3.
Yes, 3 numbers are there. What are those numbers?
2, 1, 1.
Very good. So numbers are 2, 1 and 1. Very good. So now tell me 2 plus 1 how much?
3.
3 and 3 plus 1? After 3, count forward 1. Side is
4, ma'am.
yeah. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So we will write 4 here in tens place. So answer is 40. 40. Answer is 40. 40 children. Okay. Now next question. And if you have any doubt, children, you can ask. And please don't forget to put this plus sign. So here now you have to add number 27 and 23. Okay, we have to add here number 27 and 23. And again, I'm repeating, in one box you will write only one number, and this plus symbol you will write in another box. Okay. Brinda. Brinda.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so now tell me what are the numbers in ones place quickly.
1 plus 7.
What are the numbers?
1 plus Amma. 1 plus 7, 3.
7 and 3. Very good. So now
7 plus 3.
yeah, so now tell me 7 plus 3 how much? Start counting after 7 and count forward 3.
9, 10.
Very good. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Very good, Brinda. So 7 plus 3 is 10 children. So we will write 0 here. We will write here 0 and 1 will go as carry over in tens place. 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Very good. Yes. Ananya, you unmute yourself and tell me how many numbers are there in tens place. Ananya, unmute yourself.
2, ma'am.
No, see properly. There is one carryover also.
9, 2 on fingers. 3, 4.
And there is one more number. Ananya.
5.
Yeah. So there are 3 numbers in tens place. 2, 2 and this 1 as carryover. So Ananya, that's right. So 2 plus 2 is 4 children. 2 plus 2 is 4 and we will add this 1 as carryover also. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer is 50. 50. Answer is 50. 50. Write this answer. Yes, children, write it fast. So I hope till now you all have completed this much work. So I'll clear all this now. I'm clearing all this now. Okay. So now next question. Question number 5. Yes, children. So this is $35 plus 25. So now you have to add 35 and 25 together. You have to add numbers 35 and 25. Okay. So now again, first we will see what are the numbers in ones place. Janvi, so now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
2 numbers.
What are those numbers?
5.
5 and 5. Very good. So now tell me, Janvi, 5 plus 5, how much? Start.
10.
Yeah, very good. So 5 plus 5 is 10, children. So we will start counting after 5 and we will count forward. 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 will go as carry over. And I told you this thing yesterday, that why we are writing this 1 or any other number as carry over. Okay. Suryansh, unmute yourself and tell me how many numbers are there in tens place. Unmute yourself. Yeah. Suryansh, tell me how many numbers are there in tens place.
Tens place 32.
No. How many numbers?
2 numbers.
2 numbers. There is one more number. Just now we wrote as carryover. What is that number?
3.
Yeah, 3 numbers are there.
Right.
Okay, so now Suryansh, first tell me 3 plus 2, how much? Start counting after 3 and count forward 2.
4, 5.
3 plus 2?
45.
No. Suryansh, first you have to add number 3 and 2 together. So 3 plus 2, how much?
5.
5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. We will start counting after 3 and we will count forward 2. Okay, and 5 plus 1? We will add this carryover also. So 5 plus 1 is?
6.
Yeah, now it's correct. So we have to add this carryover also, children. So 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So answer is 60. Answer is 60, children. Okay, that's correct. Now we'll write next question. Yes, children. So your next question is 16 plus 25. This is 16 plus 25. Okay, so now you have to add these numbers. Arhan, you tell me 6 plus 5, how much? Arhan Mohammed.
And it is calling you. It is calling you.
Start counting after 6 and count forward 5. Take out your 5 fingers and start counting after 6. Arhan, you are not audible.
So loudly.
11.
Yeah, 6 plus 5 is?
11.
Shout kar.
11.
Yes, now it's correct. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Very good, Arhan. So we will write here 1 and 1 will go as carry over in tens place. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Fine, that's correct. Tanvisri, you tell me how many numbers are there in tens place? 1, 1 and 2. Okay, so now tell me 1 plus 2, how much? 1 plus 2, 4. Yeah, 1 plus 2 is 3. We'll start counting after 1 and we'll count forward 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 1? Yeah. So, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So answer is 4, 1, 40. 1. We will write 4 in tens place. So answer is 4, 1, 40. 1. Very good, Tanvisri. That's correct. Yes, children. So now we'll write next. We'll write next question now. That is question number 7. So this is 36 plus 26. So this is 36 plus 26. Okay. Ayan, now you tell me what are the numbers in ones place. Ayan.
Ayan, tell. Ones place లో ఏమున్నాయి? 6 and 6.
66.
No.
6.
6.
6 and
6.
6 plus 6.
yeah. So now you have to add numbers in ones place. So now tell me 6 plus 6 how much?
12.
Yeah. So 6 plus 6 is 12 children. Very good, Ayan. So what we will do, we will write here 2 only and one we will write as carry over. Very good. So 6 plus 6 is 12 children. So we will write here 2 in one's place and one will go as carry over. I'll write it properly. And one will go as carry over. Okay. So now we have to add numbers in tens place. Sudhamsh, you tell me what are the numbers in tens place? Sudhamsh. Sudhamsh. Ayansh Gupta, unmute yourself. Ayansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now tell me how many numbers are there in tens place?
3 numbers, ma'am.
What are those numbers?
1 and 3 and 2.
1, 3 and 2. Very good. So now tell me 3 plus 2 how much?
5.
Yes. And 5 plus 1 we have to add this carryover also. So 5 plus 1?
6.
Yes. Very good, Ayansh. So children, 3 plus 2, 5 and 5 plus 1, 6. So answer is 6 to 62. Very good, Ayansh. Answer is 6 to 62 children. That's the correct answer. Now we'll write next question. That is question number 8. So this is 34 plus 7. Sorry, 34 plus 17. So question is 34 plus 17. Now you have to add these two numbers together. Rohit Chaudhary, you unmute yourself. Rohit Chaudhary. Rohit. Rohit. Mayuri.
Ma'am.
Yeah. So Mayuri, tell me what are the numbers in ones place? Mayuri. Tell me fast. Mayuri, unmute yourself and then tell me quickly.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
4,
4 and
7.
yeah. So now tell me 4 plus 7 how much, Mayuri? Start counting after 4 and count forward 7. Take out 7 fingers and start counting after 4. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Show your 7 fingers. Mayuri, show your 7 fingers.
7 fingers.
Show me your 7 fingers.
7.
Show me, show me properly, Mayuri. I'm unable to see your 7 fingers.
Okay, ma'am. 1, 2,
Yeah, only 7.
7, ma'am.
Yeah, now 7 fingers are there. Now start counting after 4 and close your finger one by one. After 4.
5.
Close your fingers.
5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9.
Yes.
9 after 10.
Yes.
10 after 11.
Very good. So 4 plus 7 is?
11.
Very good. So children, 4 plus 7 is 11. So we will write here 1 in ones place and other one will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. Very good. So now we have to add the number in tens place. Okay. Now we have to add the number in tens place. Ronald, you tell me how many numbers are there in tens place? In tens place, Ronald.
3.
Ronald.
3.
Yeah, 3 numbers are there. So tell me 3 plus 1 how much?
3 plus 1 is equal to 4.
Yeah, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1?
5.
Yeah, 4 plus 1 is 5. So we will write 5 here. Very good, Ronald. That's the correct answer. So children, answer is 5151. 5151. Okay. Okay, so children, now I'm clearing this. I'm clearing all the children. Is there anyone who is still writing? No one? Okay. Fine. Yes, children. So now your next question. This is 42. 42 plus 39. So this is 42 plus 39 and you have to add these two numbers. Hanvit, unmute yourself. Hanvit. Hanvit. Hanvit, are you there? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now tell me 2 plus 9 how much?
11.
Very good. So 2 plus 9 is 11. So we will write here 1 in one's place and other one will go as carry over. Very good. 2 plus 9 is 11 children. Fine. Now we have to add the number in tens place. Okay. Dhirav, you tell me how many numbers are there in tens place?
3.
3 numbers are there. Okay. What are those numbers?
3, 4, and 1.
What?
3, 4, and 1.
Yeah. 3, 4 and 1. Very good. So now tell me 4 plus 3 how much? Start counting after 4 and count forward 3.
7.
4 plus 3 is?
7.
Very good. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 1?
8.
Yes, that's the correct answer. Very good, Dhirav. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So answer is 8181. Very good. So answer is 8181. So we will write 81 here. Okay, so now next question. Question number 10. And children, your handwriting should be neat and clean. Again, I am repeating, okay? So this is 48 plus 25. 48 plus 25 children. So now you have to add. Okay, so this is 48 plus 25 children. Okay. Now you have to add these two numbers together. 48 and 20. Children, this is 2, okay? This is 48 and 25. This is 2. Okay, so again, we'll start adding the number in ones place first. Right, so now we have to see what are the numbers in ones place. Advait, Guja.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so now tell me 8 plus 5, how much? Start counting after 8 and count forward 5. Yes, Advait. Start counting after 8 and count forward 5. Take out your 5 fingers and start counting after 8.
11, 12, 13. Ma'am, 13.
Very good. Very good, Arpit. So 8 plus 5 is 13 children. So we will write 3 in ones place. And 1 will go as carry over in tens place. 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. Vihan. Vihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Vihan, unmute yourself. Vihan, unmute yourself. Yeah, Vihan, so now, yeah. Vihan, now tell me how many numbers are there in tens place? Vihan. Vihan, you need to unmute yourself.
2.
Yes. 2, 3 numbers are there, Vihan. See, in tens place, 1 is there as carry over. So the 3 numbers are there, 4, 2 and 1. How many numbers are there? You can see this one as carry over. So 3 numbers are there, Vihan. Vihan, unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. So see here, children. We will add number in tens place.